keeping up. Alright, good morning. Check it out. What a beautiful day today. And yeah, today we are finishing off what I started and couldn't finish a couple of days ago. We are clearing all the snow away, the rest of the snow away from Turistua Lodge. Turistua Lodge is a place on the top of a mountain here in Hammerfest, and it has a restaurant, conference facilities and bedrooms or rooms for staying the night and stuff like that. So it's a really great place. I will see if I have put the drone on charge. If I can get some power in it, I will finish it off. Yeah, so here it is. It's still a little bit snow here, but it's a lot better than it was last time it was here, and a lot better than all the snow in the air and the wind and everything. No, it's actually pretty nice weather. So yeah, I will try and just clear up this snow, and yeah, then we will start with our mountain over here. I will show you soon. So just running the snowblower. There is a little wind against the snowblower, but I think it will go pretty good. It's so much quicker using the snowblower than the bucket and everything. So when I can, I try and use the snowblower. Wiggly wiggly. Tractor is searching for traction. And I run the snowblower at the 540E, so I can just keep a track on here how much RPM it gets, but it's so much easier than having it in 540, because then I have to keep track on the, or I have to keep so much more RPM on the engine all the time. Like this is so much better. So that worked great. We'll continue doing that. So running the snowblower and just enjoy my morning coffee. Road is open. Now we just have a mountain of snow to take care of. Alright, check it out. It is full of snow. The entrance is actually behind this big snowdrift right here. So it is a crazy amount of snow, and it's hard packed snow. The wind has packed the snow really hard. So you can see I'm walking on it without any problems, and there is the door. Holy shit, huh? So let's just start cutting into it. So plan of attack, break it up into pieces and throw it on here so I can just go straight ahead with it. That's the plan. So I'll just set up a time lapse and then we will go. got a lot of snow, but this was what I had time for today. I don't have time for anything more because I am leaving for winter vacation, and my shovel would not touch that snow before front of the door. If else, I would have removed it. But that's it. Time to go home and pack the trailer with snowmobiles and go for vacation.